Hey, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in detail the new Nura phone, NuraTrue in-ear wireless buds. That's how they look like. I will show you all the strengths and goodness, but also why I'm considering to give them back. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start directly here from the website, what they promise. The pricing is 229 euros, that's what I've paid. And then the first thing is they offer and promise an immersive bass experience. That is true. There's a special fader where you can move the bass immersion experience. But one of the main disadvantages what I'm going to cover here is that if I go into the full immersive experience fader, then the bass has got too much distortion. So that's a big disadvantage. Not every kind of percussion instrument, but I was listening to a few songs where sometimes the drums or other kind of percussion instruments, yeah, I heard a distortion, and that's something what I didn't like. So that's my reason number one why I'm considering to send them back. Active noise cancelling, that's actually pretty good. It's maybe not the top class here, so I think they're not on the same level like a Bose or a Sony, but they are definitely active noise cancelling, works fast and works pretty good. And I didn't went on a plane in the last days, so couldn't test it here, but that sounds to be quite good. Social mode, yeah, you just tap and then you get into the social mode and you can hear people talking, so it's a way how you can easily talk to people when tapping the social mode. Touch buttons are customizable, so they are the left and right, obviously. And on the left, currently my device, my in-ear buds are customized to accept calls and to change the loudness, to change the volume, also to skip songs and to activate the personal assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. So that's something which usually in-ear buds offer, so nothing very special, but it works fine and it's easy to configure in the mobile app, which is available on iOS and on Android. Sweat resistance, here we only see IPX4, which is good. So if you are using them in the gym, works fine. They can handle sweat. Maybe if you also get a little rain shower, short shower, they should survive. But there are others which are more designed for, longer rains maybe. But for me, this is something what is fine. Battery life, 24 hours. Well, they are here in the lower class, so I would say that others like the Jabra Elite 85T, they're covering 24 hours. The Apple AirPods Pro, they're around 24 hours, and the Cambridge Audio Millimeter Touch offer nearly 50. So with 24 hours, they are definitely in the lower range. They also promise here fit charging or a quick charging, sorry. That's something what I didn't test, so I was using the USB-C cable to charge. And there is a special fit detection. So here you get a different kind of silicone gels, and you also get foaming stuff and wings, so that it makes sure definitely fits into your ears very well, because the sealing is very important. If they seal well, then the audio stereo experience is much better. So make sure please to test all the different ways how you can change them. Now let's come to the most important aspect of this in-ear buds: personalized sound. Yes, that is truly very impressive. So before you can use them, before you can start using them, you definitely have to go through the whole experience, which is like 4 to 5 minutes. And then it walks you through a process where your ear channels are measured. And then you don't have to do anything. So you just stay there and be quiet and be silent. And after 5 minutes, everything is measured and it's customized and personalized to your special ears and to your ear channels. So that is a USP I've never seen. I've tested also other personalized earphones like from Biodynamic and others where they're also measuring ears, but here it is measuring without feedback, so you don't have to tip when you hear a sound and then you don't let it go when the sound is over. It's without your feedback, and it's impressive. And I've heard that it definitely sounds better using the personalized sound experience. It sounds better. If I would be very evil and bad, I would say that you can do and reach the same using a very good equalizer, using loudness features. But these earbuds, they sound really, really, really good. So from the sound music experience, and I listened to many audiophile songs, and they're the best in-earbuds which I've ever heard in my whole life. So they are really premium. So what's now the reason why I'm considering to send them back? It is because of this distortion, using or hearing percussion songs, but also I'm not happy with the call quality. And that's something what I would like to cover with you now and show you that you can hear how the voice and audio and microphone quality sounds like using a Microsoft Teams call, using a Zoom call. So
Hey, now I'm using Microsoft Teams together with the Nura phone, NuraTrue in-ear wireless in-earbuds. Please let me know if you are happy, confident, and convinced about the microphone quality using Microsoft Teams. Okay, now I'm using Zoom and recording with the Nura phone, NuraTrue in-ear wireless buds.
Let's wrap up and summarize. Battery life, 6 hours per charge, 24 hours in general is average. If you go to Reddit, if you read some reviews, you will find out that people are not happy with the volume and the loudness. So here, I've got good news to share. Last Friday, they rolled out a new firmware update from your phone, and finally it's increased by 6 decibel, which is a great improvement. The app is simple, it does what it does, but if you look for a more fancy app with more features, you rather look for Jabra or for Sony. For me, the form factor is a little bit too bulky, so I'm preferring definitely smaller ones. On the Bluetooth side, the pairing is very stable, worked on 5-6 different devices, reliable, but only Bluetooth 5.0 and not the latest 5.2. On the codec side, aptX is supported, and also high resolution codec for iOS. Personally, for sports, I find them comfortable, but as I said, a little bit too large. But the most impressive thing is definitely the personalized music experience. We go through the old tuning process and then just listening. They really sound perfect. They have a very broad, wide, impressive soundstage. So I've never heard in-ear earbuds with such a wide stage. So that's definitely the killer criterion and most important feature. That's definitely best in class. ANC is good, definitely. And I also like the custom controls to change volume and to skip music tracks, go to the personal assistants and so on. So, to summarize, it's on the pricing side, higher average, so 229 are not the most expensive ones, but by far quite hefty pricing, but they're not the perfect earbuds for everybody. So you definitely have to look very, very close and sharp to find out if they fit to your needs. Thanks so far. See you next time, and thanks for watching.